Hello, and today I don't think I'm in the mood for unboxing this car. Okay, so right now what you saw is the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Okay, so it has a nice matte blue, satin blue kind of finish. When we come on the front, we can see the detailed headlamps, the Ford Mustang logo embossed. Isn't this a very phenomenal car? Look at the back there. They have detailed tail lamps with the logo and also the nameplate. It says Dark Horse, DRK. Yeah. DRKHRS. Nice spoiler there. Integrated spoiler, I guess. Yeah. We have the shark fin antenna. We have black stripes on the top and on the hood. Really good grille detailing here. This is from the Then and Now series, Hot Wheels, and it is the last one of this series. And I intend to keep this car, carded. It is a very tough decision for me to keep it carded, and I'm on the fence here. Like, I want to keep it as it is, but the inner me is like, just open it. Okay, so I will go with my instinct here and I'll just open it up. Okay. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It helps us making these videos. One thing that is not helping is my knife skills. I really don't want to damage the car or the card. Okay. Wow. Just wow. I've opened this car and look at that. Look at that paint job. It is so beautiful. Just a second, I have to look at it. I am speechless, bro. Literally, I'm speechless. The rear detailing is so cool. Look at that nameplate, those exhaust details, the skid plate details. The nameplate detail is also very nice and on point. Wow. Oh, you have the fuel lid embossing here. The shark fin antenna looks nice. Wow. This is a beautiful car. Look at that sloping roofline. Wow. Look at the bonnet, the hood. You have some plastic inserts here. I think this is along with the interiors. There is some issue on the paint on the hood and here as well. Okay, there is major issue here. I don't know why Hot Wheels keep on doing this mistakes, but however, this is a very fantastic car. It has rear view mirrors. The wheels on this one are so sick. Very nice wheels. Wow. There's the interior detailing done here. Very good. It's a very nice car. So let's do a quick roll test. It rolls nicely. Some rare wheel wobble, but all in all, it's a cool car. It is a very cool car. I can't get enough of the front detailing that they have done here. The headlamps sure are painted, but the amount of detail it brings, and the look at the grille, that is also very nice. Sorry about the background noise, I have some guests over. So yeah, all in all, it looks a very magnificent piece of art, and this is worth, you know, having in your collection. Okay, so this was the first car from the Q case. Stay tuned for upcoming cars. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that bell notification so you know when the video is up. So this is it from the video. I hope you are excited for the next car, right? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting and have a great day.